Whoa, I went right over you. Hey guys, Mike here. Welcome back to Mike's RC Corner. Little man's over there. Say hello. Hello. We got a video today here of something new that came by. We got this model here. This is the HOSIM G172. Now this OEM model is out on a few different brands. I believe Helifar and also under Sanhe Racing. Now this model is pretty much the same model as it did before of this truck, and I'll put a link up here in the corner, and they're basically the same tires, and there goes my neighbor friend. They have the same body and everything. The only thing that's different is the tires and the body. They work very well, I would assume, because the blue truck was great. They have the same type of radio, 3 AA's on each of them, exact same. Now the one thing I liked about these is that you could dial it down, the throttle. It had a dual rate, so you could slow it down or turn it up. This truck's got already probably about close to 10 runs on it, and it's held up very well. It has the 18650 lipos in it. This one has the same, except they have HOSIM stickers on it, and this has printed on 1500 milliamp hours. So they are the same in the range. They're both great looking RCs. We're going to run them at the same time, but I will be driving the red one, and we'll focus on that one. It has more of a road tread, and my son will be driving the blue one, and we can compare them, but they're pretty much run, I'm assuming they're going to run at the same speed. So let's get to that part of the video. Alright, here we go. Okay guys, here we go, the G172. The power button is underneath. Turn it on, throw it down here, and she works quite well. Some people say that this model here reminds them of a mini E-REVO, and it does bear some resemblance to that. It also comes in black and green, and probably somewhere between 20, probably high 20s, maybe hitting 30 kilometers an hour on the speed runs here on the street. Definitely have more of a road tread pattern on the tire here, but it can go through the grass just fine. As you can see here, I would not run it through the thick grass very long, because it is a little lower, being a 1/16 scale RC. But wispy grass, my grass here is quite thinned out because of the dry summer. Pretty cool. It jumps well, as you can see there. Oh, there's a flip. Of course, they are just friction shocks in here, non-oil filled. Well, I think it's a great looking RC, and this is a possible candidate for the RC track that is in progress being built beside my house, and hopefully by another month or so we'll have that completed, and we'll be racing on that. Looking forward to doing that for you guys, and definitely looking forward to running these RCs. That was a good turn. Spinnerama. Whoa, I went right over you. But as you see, as they're driving, whoa, careful. As you see, they're driving out there. We're apparently having a little problem keeping their distance apart, but they were, as you can see, they sound the same, they run almost exactly the same, they go the same speed. So you can find these branded under HOSIM and Sanhi and stuff like that. I'll have a link in the notes. You guys can always check it out. But we're definitely having fun with the blue truck, and we are glad that we could add the truggy style looking mini E-REVO version here. So pretty cool, and we are pleased with these. Again, we'll be looking forward to riding these ones on the mini track that we're building. So we're going to run the batteries out on this. I'll try and leave a little caption to give you the estimated time for run time. We're pretty excited. Yeah, I got a leaf in there. You want to pull the leaf out? Perfect. Alright, so we're going to leave it there. And we thank you again for tuning in to Mike's RC Corner. We hope you're having a good day. Hope you get a chance to get out in the RC. Thanks for tuning into this, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.
Bye. Hey.
You missed. That's better.